Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 27, 2022 hard Sudoku. Fifth row and seventh row we have 4. Column J also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 4. Ninth row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 10th row, column B, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row and second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, then column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F and second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G and 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row and 5th row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th row and second row, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grid, we have 3. Column E also we have 3. Column H, column J also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and 6th row, 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column D and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. first grade. We have 5, 6, 7. The 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade. Then column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row. Then column G, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row and 5th row and 4th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H and 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 4th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 6th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 10th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.